Hello mga ka-travel, this is Paul of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Another day, another franchisee tayo ulit. Kaya I would like to welcome Ma'am Richelle Vega Fria all the way from South Cotabato. Ayun, no? So actually, currently employed, no? Nagwo-work si Ma'am and at the same time, no, gustong-gusto niyang dagdagan yung kanyang pagkakitaan, no, through our travel and tours business. Kaya napadecide si Ma'am, no, na mag-avail din, no, or mag-start dito po sa ating home-based affiliate package. So congratulations, Ma'am Richelle, and welcome to our Global Pinoy family. Kaya sa mga viewers natin dyan, no, if you are also working and syempre gusto mo magkaroon ng extra income, no, pwedeng-pwede mong idagdag, no, yung ating travel and tours business. Kaya to know more about our business, no, message mo lang ako in my inbox at isi-share ko din sa iyo itong ating napakagandang negosyo at pwedeng-pwede ka ding umattend ng ating free webinar. With that, God bless po sa ating lahat.